Yesterday was a lovely day. I went on a picnic with my family. We drove to Oatley Park. The weather was warm and sunny. We sat on the grass under a tree and had a delicious lunch. It was very pleasant. After lunch, we went for a walk around the park and talked. On the way home, we stopped at a cafe for afternoon tea. It was delicious too. We had a very nice day. Dear Harry, hi. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm sitting in the living room writing this letter. It's a lovely day outside. The weather is great. The sun's shining and the birds are singing. My dog, Paddles, is sitting beside me and looking at me with her big brown eyes. The eyes are asking me for some food, but I'm not giving her anything because she's getting fat. I'm learning Spanish now at evening college. My Spanish is improving slowly. I like my teacher. She's doing an excellent job. I'm really enjoying my class. I hope you are well and happy, and that your family is also well. Please write to me soon. Bye for now, Jenny. I like to eat out, and I go to a restaurant for dinner twice a week. I go with my husband, Bill. Our favorite restaurant is an Indian restaurant in Cleveland Street in Surrey Hills. It is not very big, but it is always busy. There are only a few tables in the restaurant, and there is a white tablecloth on each table. There is also a vase with lovely flowers on each table. There are plants in the corners. We usually order hot curries and eat them with rice. The food is delicious, so we enjoy it very much. The service is quick and friendly. Bill and I always have a pleasant evening at our favorite restaurant.